Hello, do you have issues achieving a natural eyebrow, both on yourself and on your clients? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you detailed step-by-step how to achieve a natural eyebrow. I'm going to be sharing with you secrets that no one on Instagram or on YouTube or even your makeup school has taught you before. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's already a Grefa here, and if this is your first time here, you're most certainly welcome. I'm happy to have you here. On this channel I share detailed makeup tutorials, product reviews, basically beauty content. So if you're a lover of art, of beauty, of makeup, definitely this channel is for you. So subscribe to my channel and be the first to watch any content I upload by clicking on the notification bell. Okay, you can also invite your friends by sharing my content with them to come and subscribe to my channel. Okay, feel free to follow me on my other social media platform, on Instagram, on Facebook. My handles will be running through your screen. Okay, so send me your questions. You can leave a comment in the comment section and I promise to reply. I always reply. Ask them. I always reply your questions ASAP. Okay, so without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. For the sake of this tutorial and to achieve the natural brows you desire, I broke down the steps into 3 different parts. So the first step is outline, the second step is filling, and the third step is conceal. So outline, fill in, and conceal. So I get a sheet of paper and get a pen while we get into the practical aspect of achieving the natural eyebrows you all desire. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, and I need you to go along with me for this tutorial, okay, because you have to practice what you learn in order for it to stick. Okay, so we outline. So try as much as possible to create like a semi-curve for the first outline. Then you give a little space, because normally when we are drawing our eyebrows on the client face, you don't start from the beginning. You give a little space at the top part to make it look natural. So what you do is give a little bit of space, draw like a straight line, but not really straight. Okay, so when you get to the arc, we are going to assume that that is the arc, of course. You just curve it and join with the first outline you created. So you use the first outline somewhat like a base. You use it like a base. You connect, yes, you connect the second outline to the first one you created. It's that simple. Okay, if you did not get it, let's go back again and try it, and definitely you get it the second time. Okay, so don't give up, okay, so let's go back again. So the first outline, curve almost at the end to form the tail. Okay, so you do the second outline. So when you get to the arc, you curve and connect with the first outline. It's as simple as that. So our first step is done. The next step is to fill in. Just like you will fill your client's eyebrows, or you will fill your eyebrows, is the way we are going to fill on this paper. Why I say we should use the paper, because you draw on your client's face, you draw on your face, you hold the pencil like you are drawing. So it's the same thing, it's the same feeling. And I promise you, if you can get it on the paper, then certainly you can get it on a client's face, a model's face, or on your own face as well. Okay, so the next step is filling. So you start by filling in lightly. Okay, so when you get to like the middle, like, so I will just quickly separate it so you understand better what I'm talking about. You increase the density, so it is not as light as the beginning. Okay, So when we get to the other half, that's the tail part, you can increase it more and make it look somewhat darker. Yes, I'll say darker, because it will not give the illusion of light to dark. So we have light, medium and dark, and when you blend everything together with your spoolie, it gives a natural feel, a natural eyebrow, I promise you. Okay, so the third step is certainly something that we'll have to practicalize on the client's face, on your model's face, or on your own face. Okay, so this is just like the beginning part of this, and I promise you, if you practice this for a week, your eyebrow game would change. So this is part of the tutorial, of the last tutorial I uploaded, the bridal makeup tutorial I uploaded. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, I would advise you go and see that tutorial. I shared a lot on that video. Definitely go ahead to watch that tutorial while we go and practicalize the full steps: filling, outline and conceal on Jardine. how you achieve a natural eyebrows, simple and easy as it is. So I advise you keep on practicing, draw on your notepads, your notebook, what have you. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, now is the perfect time to subscribe. But before you leave, I would advise you to see my other detailed tutorial. So if you want to see this full look, then come over with me to the next video.